हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय नोवेल वर्ल्ड। इसमें मैं आप लोग को अलग अलग तरह के नॉवेल्स के बारे में बताऊंगा। ठीक है, इसमें मैं आप लोग को रीडिंग करके दिखाऊंगा और अलग अलग चैप्टर्स आप लोग को मेरे चैनल नोवेल वर्ल्ड पे मिलते रहेंगे। इसमें मैं आपको इंग्लिश के जो नॉवल है उसे मैं अपने लैंग्वेज में या आप कह सकते हैं इंग्लिश में आप लोग को समझाने की कोशिश करूँगा। ठीक है, तो चलते हैं हम लोग नॉवल रीडिंग पे। सबसे पहले हम लोग के पास इस समय है चाइल्ड ऑफ लाइट, एक बुक है, बुक नंबर और क्लोज कॉम्बैट मेज। तो चलते हैं हम लोग चाइल्ड ऑफ लाइट पे। ठीक है, तो हम लोग चलते हैं चाइल्ड ऑफ लाइट, ओपन करते हैं। ठीक है, चाइल्ड ऑफ लाइट बुक 1। इसमें आपका चाइल्ड ऑफ लाइट में आप लोग देख सकते हैं, ये आपका बता रहा है स्टोरी डिस्क्रिप्शन। अ चाइनीज फैंटेसी वेब नोवल अंडर द सब जेनर ऑफ मैजिकल कैंपस बाय ऑथर ऑफ डोलो डैलू क्वांगशन एंड शेंजिन, दिस इज नॉट अ जैंगजिया। ठीक है, इसमें आप लोग को बता रहा है कि ये जो आप लोग का नॉवल है, ये चाइनीज़ नॉवल मैजिकल कैंपस के अंडर में आता है, जो कि डॉल डोलो ऑफ सोल लैंड एक परिचित है इंग्लिश में। ठीक है, इसी तरह यही नॉवल इन्होंने भी लिखा है। ठीक है, तो इसमें हम लोग चलते हैं। इसमें आपको बता रहे हैं कि द लेजी जैंग गोंग डिसाइड्स टू लर्न लाइट मैजिक, अ मैजिक ऑफ्टन रेडिकल्स एज यूजलेस फॉर इट्स डिफेंसिव नेचर। इसमें कह रहा है कि जो लेजी यानी कि बहुत ही आलसी जैंगोंग नाम का एक लड़का है, ठीक है, जो कि लाइट मैजिक लर्न करने का कोशिश करता है। ठीक है, वो या डिसाइड करता है अ मैजिक ऑफ्टन रेडिक्यूल्ड एज यूजलेस फॉर इट्स डिफेंसिव नेचर। ठीक है, ऐसा मैजिक जो कि हमेशा उसका मजाक उड़ा जाता है कि वो यूजलेस है, सिर्फ उसका डिफेंसिव नेचर ही कुछ ठीक है, बाकी वो पूरा पूरा बेकार है। लेकिन हाउएवर ही एवेंचुअली बिकम्स द लेजेंडरी ग्रैंड मैजिस्टर। ठीक है, परंतु वो धीरे धीरे लेजेंडरी ग्रैंड मैजिस्टर बन जाता है। ठीक है, वाइल ट्राइंग टू एंड द कंटेंट्स ईस्ट एंड वेस्ट सेपरेशन इन ऑर्डर टू यूनाइट ऑल ऑफ द डिफरेंट रेसेस, ही बिकम्स एवरी रेसेस चाइल्ड ऑफ लाइट। ठीक है, अब कर रहा है कि अब बोल रहा है कि कैसे बन जाता है पूरे कॉन्टिनेंट को, ईस्ट और वेस्ट का जो कॉन्टिनेंट है इनका, दुनिया में एक कॉन्टिनेंट। ठीक है, ये कॉन्टिनेंट पे ही पूरा इन लोग का कहानी है। ठीक है, तो इसमें बोल रहा है कि ईस्ट और वेस्ट दो अलग अलग सेपरेशन है, इनको यूनाइट करने के लिए, पूरे कॉन्टिनेंट को यूनाइट करने के लिए, और जितने भी इनके रेसेस हैं इनको यूनाइट करने के लिए वह पूरे सारे रेसों का चाइल्ड ऑफ लाइट नाम के एक उपाधि है, उससे वो समाहित किया गया है और वह चाइल्ड ऑफ लाइट बन जाता है। ठीक है, तो हम चलते हैं चैप्टर 1 पे। वॉल्यूम 1 चैप्टर, द फर्स्ट चैप्टर। अर्ली मॉर्निंग, इट्स सो ब्राइट दैट आई हैड टू ओपन माई लेजी आईलिड्स। वाई डज माई house have to face the sun? Waking up every day to the sun's glare makes me want to cry. ठीक है, बोल रहा है सुबह की मॉर्निंग में इस समय इतना तेज़ है कि मैं जब भी अपनी आंखें खोलने की कोशिश करता हूँ तो बहुत तेज़ रोशनी पड़ती है। क्यों मेरे घर में, वाई डज माई हाउस हैव टू फेस द सन, क्यों मेरे घर को सन के तरफ का मुँह करके रहना होता है। वेकिंग अप एवरी डे टू सन्स क्लियर मेक्स मी वॉन्ट टू क्राई। ठीक है, अब मुझे हर दिन सुबह उठ के सन को देखते हुए मुझे रोने का मन करता है। आर यू अप येट लेजी बम, क्या तुम उठ चुके हो लेजी बम। ठीक है, लेजी बच्चे यानी कि आलसी बच्चे। तो हियरिंग दिस प्लेजेंट वॉइस आई इमीडिएटली जंप डाउन फ्रॉम बेड। ठीक है, अब मैं इस मधुर आवाज़ को सुनकर तुरंत ही अपने बेड से क्या हो गया, जंप कर दिया। ठीक है, यानी कि मैं उठ गया। आई एम अप, hurry up and come eat the breakfast, you are going to be late for school. Okay, I am coming. Fortunately I reacted quickly, otherwise mother's pleasant voice would have started casting the elementary water bullet to wake me up. But mother is an intermediate water mage, so if I got it I would truly be miserable. However, this is not the primary reason, because if mother shoots the water bullet at me, the blanket will get wet. When I go outside to dry my blankets, all of my friends ridicule me as bedwetting woo. Right, I forgot to explain my background, of course. I am the hero of this book. My name is Zangong. The continent I live in is called Tianwu, and in the west of is the continent of Libo. In the whole world, there are only these two continents, and of course, the rest of the world is covered by the ocean. In Tianwu, there are three countries. the kingdom of plentiful resources, the Dalu kingdom, and the kingdom of knights, the Xiadu kingdom, and the kingdom where I reside, the magic kingdom of Exia. The kingdom of Dalu has the largest territory, with it spanning 3/7 of the continent of Tianu's land. Furthermore, it is a rich in resources, wealthy, and is overall powerful kingdom. The main army is composed of warriors, while mages supplement the main army thanks to the funding the army receives. With an army such as this, the kingdom of the Dalu has the largest army of three kingdoms. The kingdom of Judah is the country which upholds the honor of knights. Therefore, the country does not have many mages residing in it. Their army is composed entirely of warriors, with their cavalry being the most powerful in the whole Tiangu continent. Furthermore, they possess three regiments of unique earth dragons, which is composed entirely of knights at the intermediate rank or higher. On the plains, it is impossible for any opposing army to withstand the assault of Xiaodu's cavalry without a barrier. Speaking of my homeland, the kingdom of Axia is in fact an authentic magic kingdom. Every single citizen, no matter how poor they are, will receive an elementary education in magic. The kingdom possesses dozens of magic schools, as every citizen has the right to learn magic. Of course, the prerequisite is that you have the money to pay the institution. Even if the citizen does not have money, there is still the town's old Zhang who will teach some basic knowledge of magic. In this country, magic education is divided into three stages. The first stage, elementary magic academy. Generally, students enroll between the ages of 5 to 10 years old and will continue studying there for 5 years. Upon graduation, the students will take an exam to become a magic disciple of or receive the title of an elementary rank mage. The second stage, intermediate magic academy. Admission is based on what the students scored on the elementary magic academy graduation exam, and naturally, students with better results will be able to enter better magical academies. Intermediate magic academy does not have a set of number of school years. Instead, it works on the basis of credits. Only 60 credits are required before students can graduate and obtain the title of an intermediate rank magic. In the Denchi, the fastest record for graduating intermediate magic academy was still 3 years, while generally takes 5 to 10 years to graduate for the average student. Most of the kingdom's wealthy citizens stop learning magic sometime during intermediate magic academy. The number of intermediate rank mages in the kingdom is somewhere from 3000 to 4000 450,000. ठीक है. The third stage, advanced magic academy. In order to admitted into an advanced magic academy, not only is an intermediate rank mage certificate required, but it also required to pass the examination of the mages union. After passing the exam, students once again be admitted to the academy corresponding to their exam results. According to Axia's regulations, all students who attend an advanced magic academy will not have to pay any tuition fees. The reason that all cost will be covered by the kingdom is for the kingdom's magic talent to flourish. The most prestigious magic academy is the Royal Magic Academy, where only those who great magic talent are admitted. Furthermore, they have extremely rigorous examinations even for a prince. Princesses also must pass examinations before they will be admitted. After graduating from an advanced magic academy, the results of the graduation exam will determine which certificate the student receives. Tianwu continent's three human magic kingdoms are extremely united because they have a common enemy, the Western continent's magic race and beast clans. In the Western continent, there are two kingdoms, The Holy Light Empire is ruled by the Magic Race, while the Beast clans rule the Valiant Mist Empire. The magic rules looks very similar to humans, with only difference being that their eyes are purple. Those of the magic race are naturally ambitious and aggressive, while they inherently possess a darkness magic. On the other hand, the beast clans are unable to use magic, but their powerful bodies are their best weapon in addition to their high magic defense. The beast clan's ace corps, in comparison to their main army, is even more frightening. The eastern and western continents are separated by Kandu Mountains. Human Humanity sacrificed billions of warriors in order to build the most powerful mountain fortress, Talon Fortress. Since the magic fortress had been built, the two beast clans could not climb past the pond called Lei, enabling the continent to enjoy peace for the last 200 years. In this world, there are six elements of magic: light, darkness, water, fire, earth, and wind. Besides these six elements of magic, there are also special elements of magic such as summoning magic, spatial magic, and so on. Magic's ranks are divided into novice mage, apprentice mage, elementary mage, intermediate mage, advanced mage, great mage, magic scholar, magister, and the legendary grand mage. Magic spells are divided 9 ranks. Ranks 1 to rank 3 are of the elementary ranks. Ranks 4 and 5 are of the intermediate class. Rank 6 to 8 are of the advanced class, and rank 9 spells are of the forbidden class. Forbidden class spells require 6 or more magisters working together in order to cast. A mage who is able to cast a forbidden class spell single-handedly would be considered a grand mage, and only one has appeared in the legends. Warriors' ranks are divided into elementary warrior, intermediate warrior, advanced warrior, knights, earth knight, heaven knight, holy knight, sword saint, and the legendary war god. Battle spirit classes are divided into battle spirit, earth battle spirit, heaven battle spirit, god battle spirit, and holy battle spirit, which enables whoever possesses it to be unscattered by all spells below the forbidden class. Summoned beast has two types: the power growth type, which grow powerful as they mature, and the body rank type, which they will remain as powerful as they were when summoned. The higher their rank, their body is the more powerful and the bestest. From ranks 1 to 9, power growth type are very rare. Furthermore, if the power growth type summon beast encounters a body rank type summon beast, they attempt to kill each other in order to prevent their opponent from growing any stronger. Money is divided into 1 diamond coin is equal to 100 gold coins is equal to 10,000 silver coins is equal to 1 million copper coins. Magic crystals from highest value to lowest is purple, jade, red, blue, white, black, green. The background information is here. Following this will be the main story. A new chapter is about to begin. The Wheel of Festivals movie to touch his destiny.